Okay, in this problem, it has to do with critical values. So what is a critical value? It's a value that separates likely to occur values from those unlikely to occur. Okay, so they're kind of like the cutoffs if you think of it that way. So they want us to find critical values for a 85% confidence level. So we're talking about normal distributions here. Okay, so basically what this is asking for is you want to know what are the cutoff values where 0.85% fall within those two cutoff values. So these values over here are unlikely to occur because they're really low, and these values over here are unlikely to occur because they're really high. So we got to figure out what these are. So first of all, we're going to calculate this thing called alpha. It's not sigma, it's alpha. And you basically, to find that, you have to do 1 minus the confidence level. So in this case, our confidence level is 85%. Converted to a decimal, that's 0.85, right? So 1 minus 0.85 is equal to 0.15. So that's the first thing you got to figure out. Now, we label these things z's, because remember these are z-scores along the x-axis. Alpha over 2, that's minus z alpha over 2. This is positive z alpha over 2. Why alpha over 2? Well, 15% of the values lie in these two areas, and this is symmetric, so half of 15% is here, half of 15% is there. So what is 0.15 divided by 2? Isn't that 0.075? I believe I'm doing the math right. Right, 0.075. So this area is 0.075. This area over here is also 0.075. Okay? If you add 0.075 plus 0.85 plus 0.075, you get 1. That's what you want. You want area all equals 1. So first of all, you subtract the confidence level from 1, get that value divided by 2. And that's going to be the area to the left of the cutoff value, the area to the right of the cutoff value. So now we got to figure out what z it is. So that's when we've done this before, where we have to take out our table, and it's easy to do the z one. The negative one, I mean. So we're going to flip to the negative side of our table, the negative z-scores. And we're going to look for, remember now, this is giving you the area. You want to find the z. So you're going to look for 0.075 in the body. That's what you want to do, 0.075 in the body. And the closest thing I found is 0.0749. And when I go across, it's negative 1.44. So you figured out the area by taking half of the alpha, and then you looked up that area in your z chart, and we get a corresponding z. And that's all you got to do. And so when they ask for the, so this is, because this is symmetric, it's positive 1.44. So I think when they ask you in the problem, I can't remember if they ask for both, but usually they ask for the positive version. Okay. So that's how you find critical values. You do 1 minus the confidence level, divide that by 2. That gives you the area to the left. Use your table, find the area to the left, and find the corresponding z. So I hope that helps, and good luck.